Welcome to the SacredBox demonstration. In this video, I'll guide you through how to start working on a booked service and effectively use the SacredBox messaging feature to communicate with your client. We begin on your provider dashboard, which automatically lands you on the bookings management page as soon as you log in. On the My Bookings page, you'll see all your new bookings listed with detailed information. Each booking has a dedicated conversation in the messaging section, ensuring that you remain in constant communication with your client throughout the service process. To start working on a service, you can either click on the mail icon directly from the listings page or navigate to the booking details page and click the Go to Messages button. This action will redirect you to the SacredBox messaging section, where the conversation for this booking is readily available. Here, you can review any additional information the client has shared to help you get started. Simply click Start Service to indicate that you're beginning your work. Should you need further details or clarification, use the Ask Clarification button. This feature allows you to send a text message or share media files, such as images or voice notes, to ensure all your queries are addressed. Now, let's switch perspectives briefly. On the client side, they will see your queries, be it text or media, and respond accordingly, providing the necessary clarifications. Returning to your dashboard, if you're satisfied with the response and have completed the task, click the Submit Response button to send your final messages. You can send a text message or attach media files as your response. If you have additional information to share, simply click the More Response button. When you've provided all the required information and are confident in your work, click the Complete Service button. This confirms that the service is complete, and your payout will subsequently be updated in your earnings. It is important to complete the service before the designated delivery time, as your payout is calculated accordingly. Every action on the messaging section will trigger email notifications to both you and your client, keeping everyone updated. Completing the service also allows the client to leave feedback on your performance, which will be visible on your public profile. To respond to any feedback, simply head over to the My Reviews section on your dashboard, click on the eye icon, and then select the Add Response button in the pop-up. Your response will appear on your public profile, highlighting your promptness and active engagement, qualities that are sure to impress prospective clients. This concludes our demonstration. Thank you for watching, and happy service providing on SacredBox.